Hey guys, welcome to Cute Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen strawberry roll cake. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the roll. Let's draw the top with a curve across here. Now from the left side, let's curve it down and in. Now let's hop back to the right side and draw a curve down. Now from the bottom, let's curve it over and back up. You should end up with this angled oval shape like this. Next, let's add the ears. Inside on the left here, let's draw a pointed curve up and back down. And then another one on the right. Now in between the ears, let's draw 3 rounded rectangles on an angle. Now move down underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve down and over, and then down and over to the right. Next, let's draw the eyes. Let's start with the circle on the left. And then the right eye, but slightly lower. And now let's color both eyes in black. Next, let's add the whiskers. On the left side, let's draw 2 curves out. And then 2 on the right side. And that's it for the face. Let's add the cake details next. Let's start by adding the strawberry at the top. Let's move up and let's draw a curve for the top of the strawberry. And then a U shape underneath to close it off. Next, let's erase the body line inside. Now above the strawberry, let's add 3 bumps like this. And then 3 circles inside. Next, let's add the whipped cream to the right. From the top of the strawberry, let's draw an S-shaped curve up. And then let's curve it down and back in, stopping here. And then one more curve over to the strawberry. And then erase the body line inside. And lastly, let's add 2 curves inside, one near the top here, and then one across the center. Now let's move to the bottom and draw the cream swirl. Let's start at the bottom and we're going to draw a curve over, up, back around like this, making a swirl shape. Now from the inside line, let's curve it around like this. Now let's continue it all the way back around, following the same swirl pattern. And that's it for this cute Pusheen strawberry roll cake. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!